The fascinating world of binary options. I'm Todd. That's Eric. He's laughing because he knows what I'm fixing to say here. Um,
Are you gonna butt first it?
I am here in a second. I thought I'd say hi to everybody first.
Yeah, we're gonna do
Um,
something awesome tonight. I'm gonna
but we're gonna,
explain.
yeah. I came up with a genius plan, and I'm gonna let Eric tell you about it here in a second after we get the show officially started.
Actually, I'm gonna backtrack and tell how we started and what got us to this point. When you get back, we can tell them how we're gonna move forward.
Yeah. But first, I gotta run to the restroom. I'll see you.
All right, people. Todd is actually, yeah, I guess he's doing it. Is he gonna do that? He's doing it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell you. If you're listening on Spotify podcast, anywhere, Apple, whatever, just go. Make sure you give us a good review. Help us out. We seem to be one of the only, if not the only, live binary options trading podcast out, and we're excited about that. We've been getting people from all over the world, and realizing that the live stream podcast that we put out is very interesting, even though it's just us just talking about these charts all night. But what we will be doing moving forward is capping the live podcast or the recorded podcast at about an hour or an hour and 15 minutes. And so if you're watching us live on YouTube every night, we will have a bumper at the end of about an hour to end the podcast, but we will continue trading. So don't like bump off the thing. It'll basically explain it. If you're listening on Spotify, iTunes, stuff like that, you'll get about an hour and a half of the podcast, and then the rest of it. Sometimes our trading sessions go for over 2 hours, and we think that's probably just too long for the podcast, actual podcast engines. It's a long time, so we're going to cap those off, at about 90 minutes, and you can get the entire live stream on YouTube. So, what we're going to do right now is I'm going to explain to you how we started, where we started with, and how we progressed, and then where we're headed from here. This is a big night. This is actually a big night. This is a big transition night. And so we started out this process, and you can get all of our sheets on our website at fascinatingworldofbinaryoptions.com. We started out this process about 45 days ago with $75. So, 45 days ago, we started with $75. We started with $75. We started with a lot of people following us, some of our family members. We started the inner circle. And what happened is in the first about 30, it was probably the first 30 days. So in 30 days, we had raised that up to like $200. That's what we had done. So we have been trading about 45 days right now, 45, 50 days. Anyway, we had got our accounts up using our process. We had never lost. We'd never blown our martingale. We got ourselves up to $200, and this was everybody following us. And then we said, hey, we want to make this a little bit safer. So we said, let's make this a little bit safer. Let's drop back down to a level 1, which is $100, and so drop to level 1. And we were going to take $100 and trade on $100, but our trading account actually had $200 in it. Okay, and so this will be a good explanation of kind of how we've been doing it. So our trading account had $200 in it now, but we dropped to level 1 and started trading on only $100. Okay, so what we were doing is we call it fortify, and we were fortifying with half. So with half of our wins, okay. We would take half of our wins and put it up here in. Actually, I think it'd be easier if I did it like this because I like charts. So what we did was we took our account and we split it into two. So we had now we had our bidding account, trading account, trading amount. We're trading off $100, and then we had $100 that we were fortified. Okay, so yeah, this will be a lot easier to see. So at that time, that's what we did. We took $100 and we saved it away. and called it Fortification, and we took $100 and we traded off of it. So any time we were trading, we were pretending that we only had $100. So for our martingale, we were just basically going, okay, we can trade off $100. And that's kind of what this chart is, and you can get this, like I said, in the thing. So we went back to level 1, and we started going at $100, and so our fortified amount was 100, and our trading balance was 100. Now we're back up to like 150. So now we are sitting at a full program. Well, let me tell you that we were going like 45 days. We had never lost a martingale, and we were over $300. So we were doing very well. It means we had about 150 or 160 in our trading account and 160 in our fortification account. Now, how we're doing that is every night, if we won like 10 trades, we would take 5 trades and add them to our trading account, the profit of 5 trades, and 5 trades and add it to our fortification account. The reason we did this is because if you were to lose in the martingale, you would lose your whole trading account. But then we had it doubled underneath us. So we could go right back to having that amount. Okay, so it was a safety. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to do something tonight, and we're going to drop back to, because we're at level 10 now. So right in here, we actually lost. We actually had a little loss right here, and we lost $90. Okay, we kind of lost $90. We went to a 5th or 6th trade, and we went to a 5th trade and we lost it, and we were bidding 6 deep, so we lost $90. So we kind of dropped back. We were up to about level 12. We dropped back to like level 6, and now we're back up to level 10. It's taken us 4 or 5 days to recover, but we've recovered and we were safe. So the plan did work. So what we're going to do now is we're sitting at, let's see where we're sitting, and I'll show you exactly what we're going to do. We're sitting at a full program of, actually this is wrong. Let me open this up and show this. It's I think it's like $300. So we'll go off Todd's 667 is what he has in there. So if I put that in here, trust me, it'll make sense in a minute. So 667 is what we have. So we have a $300 program because he has more money in his account than we're using. So we're using $300 total. So $150 fortified and $150 trading balance. That's what we have now. So we're basically $300. So Todd came up with this brilliant idea today, and he told it to me. And every time he calls me with a no idea, I get frustrated. Probably because I'm like, dude, come on, man. You know, we figured this out. It takes us forever to figure it out, so we figure it out. And then he calls me up like 3 days later. He's like, dude, I figured it out. And it's just like, dude, come on, chill. You know what I mean? Chill. Let's just do the plan. But after listening to his crazy idea today, I realized he's right, and I think this is actually going to be super, what do you want to call it? Helpful. So here's what we're doing today. Tonight we're going to start this. We're not changing anything about how we trade. We're still going to go make like we're going to be winning 12 trades a night. Okay, so that's what we're going to win. We're going to win 12 trades a night. So stick with me on this, and I'll show you what we're going to do. 12 trades a night or a day, whatever, or a level. And then we call them, they're not really days, they're levels. So we're going to go back to level 1 with our $300. We're going to divide that level into 4, okay? So we're actually going to have $75 fortify. We're going to have 3 fortification accounts underneath, okay? So we're going to be trading off this account right here, and we're going to be fortified 3 times. Okay, now this is actually the key to the safety of this. And when you run this out 90 days, it's extremely impressive. It also we're going to be trading at 5 deep. So we were at 6 deep. So here's a nuance of this that you might want to think. We were at 6 deep, and we were using a 5 stop loss, which means we could go 6 deep in the martingale. But because we figured out months ago that putting a stop loss in actually helps you, and what it is you're trading at a 6 deep level, and I'll go ahead and show it to you here. You're trading at a 6 deep level. So you use the 0.0097. You can go 6 deep. But what you do is you only make 5 trades. If you lose your 5th trade, you just stop. So what that does is it causes you to only lose $64. If you make that 6th trade and lose it, you lose $146. And that would be the entire Fortified account, or at least your entire trading balance you would be losing. And that's how the chart is set up. But what we've kind of figured out is if that happens, you kind of get thrown back so many levels. And that's okay. It still works. But we've I think this tweak is actually the safest tweak. So I'm going to zoom in on this a little bit and kind of explain. What we're doing is we're doing 5 deep. The fortification percentage, or the bidding percentage, is 0.022. That's the percentage that we use to bid. So we are trading off just $75. Okay, that is the trading account. We're going to pretend that we only have $75. Okay, these guys right here, these are fortifications. Okay, they're basically like first string. This is your first string player. You got your second string, third string, and fourth string. Okay, so we're going to win 12 trades a night, and out of those 12 trades, we're going to attribute. Now, we don't have to actually do this. We don't have to sit there and mathematically do this. It just does it in the sheet. But we're going to attribute 3 trades to each one of these players every night. So, like if we win 12 trades, then we're going to attribute 3 trades each to each one of those players. Okay. So that's basically what's going to happen. They're each going to grow by 3 trades. So I'll set up the chart for you. You can download this chart at our website again. So in this trading percentage, we put 0.022, and I'll save this chart out here. And I'm going to our full program is $300. We're going to win 12. We're going to win 12 trades a night. I think how this works is we're going to win 12 trades. I think we put 12 in here, or maybe we put 3. I'll have to ask Todd and do the math. But you put the number of trades in this that you're actually planning on moving up a level with. Okay, your starting sheet balance is $75. Okay. So basically, we're starting with $75, and we're going to win 3. Yeah, I'm going to clear all of this out. Let's see here. Yeah, okay. I'm going to clear this out, this out, this out. We'll just clear these out because we're going back to level 1. Now, this is actually not even like moving backwards. It's actually going to make this is actually going to get us there a lot faster. So let's see here. Okay, so it's going to get us there faster. Our goal is to get to 90 days, or really our goal, not 90 days. Really our goal is to get to $100 bids. Goal is to get to $100 bids safely. Safe like. Get to 100 bids safe like, people. That's the real goal. Because once we get there, if we make 5 trades or 12 trades a day, we can take the profit and we can make about $1,000 a day, making 12 trades a night. So this might seem complicated if you're just looking at this, but this is what we've done. We started with $75. We jumped up to $200 by trading. We divided that into 2. So we had a trading account of 100 and a fortification of 100. And then from there, we're here now. We're saying we're going to divide this up again. And so we're taking $300, dividing it by 4. So we have a $75 trading account and 3 fortification accounts underneath it. And our goal is to make get to $100 bids safely. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because what's going to happen now is we're going to do the same thing we're doing every night. We're going to win 12 trades. Each one of these accounts is going to grow by a certain percentage, and they're going to grow together. So we're going to have $75, then we're going to end up having $100, and then $200 and $300, and each one of these will have that amount. So our trading account's going to get kind of big, but these 3 fortifications are going to grow alongside in there. So the key is, welcome back, Todd.
Yeah, well, welcome back. I was watching.
You were? Okay, good.
Saying. So did you cover the fact that even though we're trading, we've gone back to level 1 at a $75 balance, our trades are actually higher?
Yeah, I mean,
Because
that's
when
kind
you
of what
when
I'm
you
getting
cut
to.
when you cut a loss, when you cut some of the depth off, like when you go from 6 deep to 5 deep, it every time you add one deeper, it
One deeper
actually almost
martingale.
doubles your trades. Like if you go 7 deep, you have to win like 24 trades to get an 8% increase. As where you could get an 8% increase on like 10 trades at 6 deep.
Yeah.
So and then 5 deep is a five wins for an 8% increase. So even though you're winning three at $75 or starting with $75, you're making $1.70 trades versus $1 trades starting with $100 at 60.
I think the moral of, I mean, I understand what you're saying, and I know, I mean, I created the math with you, and it still sounds super confusing, but I guess in theory, the theory that you're trying to say is if you're in a 5 deep martingale, and then you go to a 4 deep martingale, your trades double. You know,
Right.
so and your profit doubles. It's kind of weird when you're martingaling. You
Yeah, you
want
can
to
do less wins, uh,
less
less
wins and
wins
make
for
more
a
money.
bigger increase. Because by doing this, we actually shaved off about 10 days until we get to $100 trades
Yeah, we
from
shaved off 10
60.
days. Now, last week we were doing 6 deep with a 5 stop loss, which I explained the stop loss.
Right.
The problem is we only get the benefit of going 5 deep, but we're trading on a 6 deep percentage, which is kind of a disadvantage. So,
Right. And with this, we don't get thrown back at all.
yeah. Oh, yeah. I haven't. That's what need to explain. So here's how this is going to work. If we're trading on our $75 trading balance, and we blow 5 trades, you know, and we lose all 5 in a martingale run, we will literally continue moving forward. We will drop down to this fortification level. We'll basically start using this guy, you know, say guy 2, and we will just keep going. We won't drop back any levels. Now, during that time, this guy will start growing again. So it's kind of like, we call it the self-healing. We're going to call it self-healing plan. You know, basically the self-healing plan, the
Self-healing fortification plan.
It's crazy because it's kind of like in football. If you got 4 guys in your backfield and one of them gets hurt, you just put him on the bench. He's starting to heal up, and you take a sub and you stick him in. That's what we're going to be doing. We have 3 subs underneath our main trading account. They're all growing at the same rate. Mm-hmm. So if we get to day 50 and we blow 5 trades, all we got to do is start with this trading account, leave this one alone, and keep putting money back into each account as we go, and it will average out. It's extremely hard to understand this, and I'm not thinking that we should probably try to feel like everybody understands it, but if you have any questions, just ask us, because what this does, it basically allows us to go 5 deep, lose 5 trades if we ever did, and never stop. And our other fortification account will heal itself over about a week. So the money will be put back in it over the next week as we're continuing to go level up. So
we can go on to the next level unless we've somehow didn't win. Right. Unless we've blown all 4 in one night, which is not likely to happen.
We can't, because here's the deal. These 2 are our main guys, probably. These 2 fortifications. This one and the first fortification. This one right here, if we ever get down to this one and this one, what we'll have to do is redivide and step backwards. So, I mean, we kind of talked about that, and I think it makes a ton of sense. So if we were to lose 5 in a row, and then a week later we were to lose 5, or that next day we were to lose 5 in a row again, we'd have to take our full account, divide it back into 4, and it would push us back probably 5 or 10 levels. But if we only lose 1 fortification, we could just keep going. And if you go for about 5 or 10 days without losing again, your other fortification account would be completely healed. It would be completely replenished, and then you're still at 4. The
right,
goal
they just couldn't. Your losses could not be close together.
Right, so
it would have to still be once in a blue moon. You still have to be careful.
Right,
but this protects us from like the very occasional night where we lose 5 trades and get sent back. We don't get sent back at all. We keep going. We level up the very next day. And then when we have another, if ever we have another bad night, there will be the money in the account to just keep going again while money keeps, because we're still making the additional trades. We're only basing it on 3 wins per night, like when we very first started.
Right. And so
Um,
my question to you, Todd, is on this sheet, does
you
this
put three,
number when you put 3 in here?
kind of like we had 6 on the other
Oh,
one. Even though
because
we
you're
win
going up.
12, yeah,
We
because
win
if
12.
you put 12 on there, watch what happens to the numbers.
Well, yeah, they get
It
massive.
increases the trading balance, and
Yeah.
so it wouldn't be accurate because,
Yeah. The trading balance would just be, yeah. So you're basically 3 trades.
but you're really winning 12. You're basically winning that chart 3 times, 4 times in a night.
So, okay. So, yeah, by day 81, like you already did
81.
this. 81, you're making $100 trades.
Yeah, on the
Now,
last one it was day 108, 103
yeah.
was
And your trading balance is 4,700, but that means you have 4 of that, right? You have 40, so your account balance would be 4,700 times 4. You'd have $18,000 in in your full account.
right.
So in this chart over here, your full account would say $18,000, or your full account would say full program. This is
Yeah.
Todd's full account, but what you're bidding on is $18,000, and then you would have fortification amount would be 150, 150. So do I have to change this chart now to like be fortified amount 75? Yeah, I would have to take this. This would have to be divided by 4, right? Divided by 4. So 75, and then T21.
I don't know because I don't have that chart. I'm using an older one, but
Yeah, okay. So this is basically, here's how it is. Your fortified amount is $75. Well, and actually it would be, I could make that. So yeah, your fortification amount would be $75. Your full program is 300. Fortification is 75, and your trading balance is 75. So let me see if that works. If you get up to like 4,700, then your fortified amount would be 1,000. Your trading balance would be 1,000. So that would be a fourth of it. So, yeah, 4,000, 1,000. So if I had if I had 18,000, oops. So if I had $18,000 in here, I'd have $17,000 would be my full account, and I'd have 4 fortifications of, yeah. Okay, so this is all right. 60. So this is 75.16. That's actually our trading balance, 75.16. And we start with $75.16 here. And our trading balance is, 75.16? No, 75.16 would be here. And then, yeah, I don't know why this is like that. So I'm pretty much ready, I think. I think I just need to go into this.
I just have a question. Is Haley watching tonight? If you are, say hi in the comments so we know. And anybody else that's there's Wi-Fi. He's from Ghana. So we've got people all around the world that watch this. Hey, how are you, Wi-Fi? Good to see you tonight. He's coming from YouTube, watching on YouTube. We've got people watching on multiple platforms such as Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. Where else are we at? Maybe a couple others. Wherever you're watching from, be sure to leave us a comment, say hi, let us know that you're watching, and we'll be sure to give you a shout out. So we're going to check out some charts here in a second and see if we can't win a few trades.
Okay. All right. So all this will be in. I'll go ahead and put this in our.
Yeah, that is it. I'm loving this plan. I feel like this is I'm doing great. Thanks for asking, Wi-Fi. He said, I am fine, and you. And so if you're watching on platforms other than YouTube, you won't see his comments. And, there are people that comment from Twitch and some other platforms. So I try to interact with everybody regardless of where they're watching from. So
Unless they're watching from Dayton, Ohio, then we don't talk to those people.
if they're from Dayton, Ohio, we don't associate with those kind of folks.
All right. I should say we are live.
Dayton, Ohio is where I where I live. um,
Okay, we're live. Let's trade. All right, let's trade. Actually, I need to write down the numbers tonight, and
so I believe tonight
we're at $1.70.
$1.70. So last night we were trading at $1.40. See, overall our account is actually going to grow by a bigger percentage tonight, going back to a first level than it did last night at a 10th level.
Yeah, it's
or
crazy.
an 8th level, whatever
it's
we
just
were.
math, man. Math. The way the math works on this is insane. That's why I've kind of been loving binary options, because you can look at these numbers if you get them right, and you see how much you can grow by just changing one or two numbers. That's why we bid. We don't just go online and start hitting the button. We don't just go on there and start hitting buttons and hoping we win some money by the end of the night. We don't do that. That's jank.
That is jank, yes.
All right, bro.
We made an update on, if you're following us on Telegram. If you're not, you should be. I don't know why you're not if you aren't, but if you're on our Telegram, then you just got an update as to all the crap that Eric just tried to explain.
If you're following us on Telegram, we are at fascinating.
He sent you the
options.
chart that you literally just watched him make.
Yeah, I sent the chart on there. So that's how we roll up in this place. I don't know. This is gonna be a good night. I hope and I hope that. Well, I feel pretty dang good being fortified 4 times. Oh man,
That was a strong opening on that Cisco.
oh my gosh, look at Intel, dude. It's like
Intel?
cranking down. Cisco.
Yeah, I don't know if it's going to win, but that was a strong opening. I watched it, but that was a massive candle right before it. So,
What are you talking about?
okay, you see the candle that it's on right now?
Yeah.
The MACD
Oh,
crossed.
Oh, the MACD crossed on that. Oh yeah, that's true.
What did you say,
I didn't know
Intel?
what you meant. Intel was just in a dive, but now it's starting to go up. I don't know.
Well, it's at a big line. Well, it's a little below the line, actually.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It kind of got below its line there for a while, but it's at another line. It's at a top line here. I don't know. These charts are hard to read sometimes when they've got all these lines everywhere. It's at lines here. It went low, but look at this line right back here. It bumped up right there, hit that one. So it's at a massive line. If it goes below this line, it could keep going. But this chart is doing a lot of up and down. I'm not really loving this chart.
Yeah.
Dude, Cisco Cisco could be a free fall out of this. I don't know.
You think?
I don't know. I mean, maybe it's double crossing. It's going down. I don't think so. My gut, I'd love for it to be, but because it's at a bunch of different lines.
It's kind of been everywhere.
It's kind of got a lot of lines in it right now. Whoa, McDonald's, dude. Jeez.
Think McDonald's is going to fall from here? Or you think it's going to retract?
I mean, it has a potential to fall.
It's got some long wicks on it, though.
It also has potential to just turn around and go back up.
Yeah, like it's doing.
Like it's been doing for a long time. Yeah, it's been going through the white line, then bouncing and coming back up.
Yeah, Microsoft, it's at a line. Isn't everything always at a line?
Yeah.
I'm just going down the list here.
So our first trade's at $1.70.
Yeah.
667.52 is our opening trade amount. Our your opening account. And I gotta focus on this. Doesn't seem like there's a lot going on right now.
Not a lot good, no.
Um, Lots of wicks. Lots of turnarounds. Well, I say we just kind of watch the waters and not just try to jump right into them.
Well, yeah, because we gotta win within 5 trades, and I don't want to go deep. I do not want to go to a fifth trade. I want to keep it.
No, dude, I'm sick of that.
What about FedEx? What's this looking like to you? FedEx looks like it's going to go up to you. Or do you think it's consolidating?
Probably.
It's been going up, but I don't know if it's going to keep going up. What are you on there? What is that?
NZDJPY. I don't know if that's like a retraction or not. I mean, it's going through. But I'll also look at FedEx. I don't know. FedEx has been kind of going up, and it is going up. I don't know that it's waterfalling up.
I think that, I don't know, NZDJPY looks like, I mean, it's retracted, but I don't know if it's going to keep retracting or if it's going to.
I wasn't sure if that was going to retract or not.
I guess it did, but it's hard to say, if you would have won it based on, depends where you took the trade,
Yeah, that one didn't make it all the way up to this level of I think it might still go up from here. It wants to go up to this level, probably. This level right here. Yeah, I think this candle's going to go up. Man, that would be a narrow. This would be a narrow win or a loss. Probably a loss at this point. Oh, that would have been a win right there if you would have taken at the top of that candle. But I think it's going to go up to this level. I mean, that's my gut, is that it's going to go up to this level. See, it's been up to that level a couple times.
Yeah.
If it's going to reject, it's going to reject off that level.
Right.
But I guess it's just nothing that says it has to go to that level.
Or anything that says it has to reject from that level.
Yeah. I don't think we should call this on this next candle if it doesn't get to that level. What do you think?
What are you on?
NZDJPY, you got 20 seconds, but like it's been going up. It's trying to get up to that level. It's hit it now, so I'd be nervous but if it dropped down.
Yeah, I don't know.
Kind of a step up, and now I would be.
It's not stepping up real well. I mean,
I think it's going to go up.
It could go up more.
It could just reject. I think it'll reject off this line right here. That's my gut. Is it's going to reject off that line? If not, I mean, it could just.
Well, it's hit the top part of that wick on that green wick over there by that red candle.
Yeah, I think it's.
And it fell as soon as it did.
Right, that was my thought. Is it was going to go up to this line, maybe go up here and then fall back. But I don't know. I mean, this is all the speculation, testing and speculation, basically.
Isn't it always?
Yeah. I'd be surprised if it didn't turn red here. If it doesn't turn red here, do you think that it...
If it doesn't turn red and it keeps going up, then
we should call it? Because it's going
well,
up.
it's kind of turning around. It's been going down for a long time. But it's again at another level. I mean, but it's... I don't know if those lines matter because, I mean, you could take the next one. I mean, you might as well, but we could get the turnaround.
No, I think it's done. I think this line right here is
yeah, there it goes. You're right.
I think
it looks like it looks like it's going to just keep shooting up. We'll see. But that's what it's looking like.
Yeah, I think it's got strong up pressure. The MACD is out of the oversold area, and
yeah, I think it's going up, bro.
I think it worries me is that crick in the stochastic, but stochastic is fickle. I mean, the other indicators say it's going up.
Everything says it's going up.
In fact, if it wins, I should probably re-enter.
You think?
Well,
or do you think it's slowing down?
No, I mean, look at it. It's getting ready to cross through. Let's go again.
It's probably getting. Yeah, I mean, you could.
I think this is a dude. That was a
You
win.
got a good position on that
That
candle.
was a good win. All right, let's do this. I don't. We've got a scenario here where the MACD is up, the moving average is up. It broke through a pretty strong resistance level. It the stochastic is overbought, but it seemed like it was going to flatten out. I still think this might win.
I don't think it's going to pull up that far.
That was a good waterfall. That was a good. What do you call them if they're going up?
I don't know. I call it like a stair step kind of thing, but
Stair step. Yeah, that was a good stair step. That was a
I
decent.
mean, it could
stair
win
step.
if it pulls up.
Come on,
Got
baby.
3
Come
seconds,
on,
but I
baby.
don't think
Come
it's
on.
going to.
It's kind of stuck there.
No,
Dang it. All right.
it's stuck.
390 is our next trade.
You think it's going to fall from here?
I don't think so. I think it's going to go up from here. I don't think we should probably trade on this one again right now. But I think it's going to go up because
What's
I mean,
the
I
next?
want it to go up. 390. Odd NZD. I'm going to go look for some double crosses or some opening positions. What was that one? What was that one we just lost on? NZD JPY.
Yeah.
What the heck?
USD RUB is just like a big fall. But at this point, it could be due for the random
that's
green
amazing.
candle.
What the freak is that amazing?
You want to enter that or
Take
no?
it. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
I mean, it's just tanking. I think. Let's see, where's this at? It doesn't look good, right? I want to find one of those early.
I think it's going to still fall. I mean, it's got 40
Okay.
seconds. I think it's still going down, though. I think
Okay,
we'll
let
win
me-
this
let me
one.
get back
I
to-
want to think we'll win this one.
Yeah, it wicked out, but it's been going down for a long time. I'm gonna reset to $1.70. Let's see. I'm trying to look back. Is there any lines? There's no lines really, are there?
The question is, do you want to enter this again if it's not got a lot of pressure to it?
Yeah, I think it's going down. I mean, why would we stop right now and look at the indicators?
I mean, because it's due for a green candle soon.
Yeah, but we don't win by watching.
True.
I am.
That was a win.
Did I not enter? I didn't enter.
You did enter. We're in.
Are you sure?
I can see it on my screen.
Oh.
Sometimes you don't see it. Do you not see it?
I don't. Oh, I see it now. I had to refresh. It was like weird. I couldn't
Yeah.
see it.
I wasn't sure we should re-enter because, but it's still
Well,
going down. So
You're basing that on the fact that there might be a green candle soon, and that's not how you.
just on probability that there's going to be a green candle soon. Yeah.
But
And
could
there
be-
is.
But there could be like
This
five,
one's- This one could wick out, but it's kind of big. I mean,
There could be like 5 red candles though, and we could just sit there and talk about them.
well, true, but there could also be. I mean,
Right.
this one's going to be a loss, and that's what I'm saying. When it slows down, I'm not sure. That one kind of slowed down, and I was thinking that it was probably going to be happening any time.
Oh crap! Oh crap! Bait! All right. All right, let's find a different one. That was a good run.
This is cricking up now, so now it's likely headed up. But
I
we'll
don't
see.
trust that.
I'm not saying I would either.
I'm gonna be less emotional about that. We've got
Brent oil.
just start throwing some.
Brent oil is kind of climbing, but
Yeah. Yeah, that one's a little bit.
I don't know if I trust it.
Yeah, it's got some big candles and some little wickies. It's got some big blow wicks on there.
It's not
It's not like
not a
very
real
smooth-
consistent,
It's not a smooth stepper.
right?
Although this one could set up for a double cross on the downside.
Which one?
Brent oil. I mean, within the next 5 or 10 minutes, because they're both overbought now, almost
Mm-hmm.
both really high. And if this turns around from here and starts going down, it could give us the double cross. So we should watch it.
Crude is probably about to go down.
Oh crap! I just missed a double cross on there. Okay. Crude looks like it's kind of turning around.
And gold is probably going to be rejected here. I'm not going to take.
Jeez.
I'm going to take this, but
That one looks insane, dude.
watch it happen. Let's see what it does.
I'm not gonna look at the crude. You tell me if it does. I'm not sure about crude. It's got a lot of high wicks.
Yeah, I wouldn't take that. That's a.
Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at it for like a double cross, but it keeps wicking up. It's not.
No, Brent oil though I think is going down a little bit.
Oh, dude, double cross is getting ready to happen on it. Odd NZD. Look at that odd NZD. It's been in a nice stair step. It's a real clear. It's gonna double cross. I think I should take it. It's gonna head to the white line.
Okay, what's the next trade? You got it in there?
$3.90. If this opens really hard, I think I should take it. If not, I'm not gonna take it.
You
This
better
is
make
good.
sure because I want to. I want to get deep into trades here. So
Well, this looks like it could. That's a clear double cross. After a nice fat stair step
yeah,
in a downtrend, but the blue line's hooking.
what I don't like is the way it shot down below that green candle.
You got 30 seconds. Can you hear that screenshot?
I can, yeah. Is that what that is?
Yeah.
It's
Doom,
going
doom,
up though. It's going up. Let's just
doom,
think that
doom.
it's going to go up here.
I do think it's going up. I think this will be a win. Because the double cross was clear, the uptrend is clear, the hookage is clear. I mean, it's definitely kind of fighting with that level, so I don't think that re-entering would be smart here.
Yeah, don't re-enter.
Don't usually re-enter on a double cross. Thank God. There we go, baby. Look at
We
that.
won it. We
Boom.
won it. All right, that's a win. That's a win.
Let's have a win. Yeah. Okay, man. Double cross came through for us there. Well,
It
people,
did there.
Well, folks, that's 3 wins in a row. No,
Was that
not
3?
in a row.
Yeah, that is 3.
It's
That is
3 wins already. We got to go for 12.
That is 3. So that's the account taken care of there. Now we got to fortify 3 times and we're call it a night.
Is Apple going to cross up? Look at Apple. That's wackadoo. I'm not so sure, but it looks like it's... No, I'm not doing that. That's totally not real. But it's going to double cross.
Yeah,
But
that's
it's
crazy
jank,
though.
But it's jank. Watch. It would be a total guess. Have to be a total guess.
And I think it's going to shoot back down.
Yeah, it could. I mean, it could go either way. I
Well.
feel like it wants to go up, but I mean, obviously,
I think that's turning red here.
yeah, obviously these candles are pushing the indicators all over the place.
That's what they're doing, yeah.
Man.
American Express though is kind of
Yeah.
already crossed.
I mean, it kind of
It's
did.
kind of at a
but
line though. It's just been dipping. It's kind of strung
Yeah.
like Christmas garland here.
Yeah, on this one, I would almost take a rejection put right here, like a
Yeah.
fakey cross. I don't know though. It is gonna double. It is double crossed, and it already did double cross. I think we could put this one if you want to put it. I mean, it's
You got it set for $1.70.
Yeah. I mean, I guess we could wait and see what happens, but I think it's gonna.
Well, we're losing position now, so
Yeah, I think we just watch this one because I think that a put would win here, but it's just sort of one of those funny kind of random things because everything is pushing up, and it's possible that this just keeps going up.
Yeah, it might just break that line, and if it
broke
does,
it big time, dude.
yeah, it did.
I don't know that it's gonna sustain that though. It's kind of a crazy chart. It's got this massive red candle here. It's got green candle, red. I mean, it's anybody's game on that one, man. I mean, oh, McDonald's, dude. Dude, we should call this one right. We should reject this one now, dude. Look at McDonald's.
I'm trying to get to it. Where's it?
Oh
Crap.
Lord, yeah.
It's 76%, bro.
Okay, but watch this. Imagine if we would take this at the top, like right here,
Mm-hmm.
halfway through this candle. Like it's gonna go down. It's been hitting that white line like crazy.
Yeah, if we had our put at the top of this line.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Let's watch the next candle because I think because of all the other candles that have hit this.
Oh yeah, they've all been rejected there.
Yeah, that's
they've all retracted from that line.
Oh yeah. Oh, we would have killed that. 76% though. 72 now even.
Yeah.
If that would have been at 80, I would have put that because I know I almost knew for sure that was going to do that. Yeah, that's crazy. That's a crazy chart.
Definitely a crazy chart. Okay, FedEx right now this is one where it could reject it. It could retract here.
Yeah, I think it will.
Think that's going to retract or go through?
I don't know. Let's call it.
Well, it's kind of lost position now.
No, because it's
we'd have had to
going
have
up
gotten
from
it
here,
when we'd have need to have got it when it was down there further. But I'm not sure that it isn't going to break through. To me, this looks like it could waterfall.
Well, that's true.
Because of how high up it is, it's just got a big open space there, and it didn't retract. Not yet, anyway.
So should I just put this now?
Well, not necessarily. You could probably.
I guess in this next candle we could put it if it really does break it because it's fighting with it.
I would take a 2-minute put from like up here. That's what I would do.
Well, there's your guess, bro.
That's my guess. We'll see if I'm right.
You're probably right. You're at the top of a consolidation line at least. I mean, but it also might continually go down. We'll be on a fourth win if this doesn't just flip around on us. But I mean, I think in terms of the white line, this white line is.
I tend to think the next candle is going to go down a bit, but I could be wrong. I don't know.
No, you're on your. This is your rejection trading. I mean, you don't really know. The indicators kind of think it's going down. The white line is being approached at a deep angle.
There we go. I think either we're going to consolidate here or this candle's going to drop a little lower than that green candle, and it's just going to keep going down from here.
Yeah, I think it's going to go down. I hope so. It set up kind of a little consolidation point there by that white line, but the blue and yellow are actually pointing at the yellow, like they're going through it. Whether or not they go all the way through it, it seems like they want to go through it. In fact, if these go down,
this line is shooting down, dude. It's dropping from here, bro.
Yeah, I think we should just I'll put 1 minute trades back in here. If this one wins and it still seems like it's going down, we should probably just take a. Man, I want it to go down. Come on, there you go. There you go.
Yeah, I want it to get as low as it'll get.
That consolidation.
There we go. Yeah, so that if it does go back up a little bit,
there you go. Come on.
Then
We got
hopefully it'll be a lower consolidation line.
Hopefully this just goes down from here because I don't want it to consolidate. I hate consolidation.
I hate consolidation. Yeah.
I'm with you. I don't think we got 40. What this candle's got? We're gonna win this in 10 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So those of you listening on the podcast,
do you want to take another 2 minute from here?
No, I want to wait for the next candle to be red and just take 1 minute down. Right.
Gotcha.
Because I think it might just jump up from here. I mean, if it does, we'll know.
Good.
That's fourth win.
4 wins.
Look at that, dude. That's going up there.
Yep.
I'm not. I still think it might actually be going down, but wasn't sure that it wouldn't do this first because, it could be. I've got the trades reset back to $1.70. If you're listening on your lunch break,
Then you're not in America.
No, I mean if you're on the podcast and listening on your lunch break tomorrow.
Oh, I got you. It depends
sure
on what time. What day you listen.
Make sure you take your vitamins and your hair loss vitamins and
hair loss vitamins.
Todd, you already lost all your hair, man.
I willingly shave it off like twice a week.
Huh. Well, okay. I'm not gonna look at this chart anymore.
You think this is going up from here?
Oh crap. Cisco's at 79%, but dude, it's about to double cross and touch the line. I don't know. I don't know if it's worth it.
No, I wouldn't take that kind of a trade on a 79% payoff.
Because look at it's kind of ganky anyway. I'm gonna watch it though, because if it double crosses, I just want.
This is nuts because it's gone through it before.
I think it's gonna.
This chart
cross.
doesn't look like it's obeying much of anything.
Cisco, yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I wanted to see if it would obey a double cross, but I don't even think it's gonna double cross.
Johnson & Johnson though is about to hit the line, and it looks like it's obeyed it quite a bit. I mean,
on the underside it did, yeah, a lot. I don't know though. Is it gonna go down? Is it gonna go down and hit the line?
I'm not sure.
The last time it was high and it double crossed, it flew through it. That was a killer line, dude. There's like 12 red candles there. And it went back up. But I don't think that matters now from where it's at. I don't know. I don't think that one's even going down there. Ooh, Brent oil broke the white line. Dude, Brent oil broke the white line. What do you think that's doing? Can't really tell.
I think it's
going to turn around.
No, I don't know. It's hard to say because it broke it by one candle, which is not, doesn't always mean everything.
Man, but dude, check it out. Brent oil's been in a downtrend for a long time. It also has a big line of stoppage there. If it reaches that line, or if it goes down, it could waterfall from here. It's only been going down all day, or since it went down here. Dude, what would you do if you saw a candle this big? Would you call it?
What does that mean?
I don't know.
I see those sometimes, and I don't know what that...
Look at it's going little, and then like, is it an adjustment in the market, or is
that's what I'm saying? Like, that doesn't look normal. Like, it looks like
maybe like that's when somebody acquired somebody else and like all the stock got changed. Like, I mean,
I see it in charts though. If you scroll back far enough, it looks like it's in all of them.
Yeah, it is.
Okay,
it's always in them.
It's kind of dropping now, so you could take a 2-minute put from up here, or if you think it's going to go down there, you could take a 1 minute or a 2. I don't know. Do you think it's going to, or are you not convinced it's going to go all the way down?
I don't know. I'm not sure. That's a giant wick right there on that previous candle.
The top one? Which means it had some up pressure.
Yeah, it means it's...
And it's green now. So, yeah, I don't know. It's got some volatility. I wouldn't take it.
I think that we could take, like, if it will continue down, I think we could take a put on this. But, like, right now we might be able to take the next candle. I don't want to do, like, 2 minutes.
Right.
But this is a big candle. Yeah, I mean, let's take it.
I mean, you can try it.
Let's just see if it's going to go down. If it's going to go down, it's going to go down. I mean, that's all we can say.
It looks like it's going down.
It does kind of look like it's going down.
I think that's going down. I mean, look at it.
Yeah, I do too. I just wasn't sure that other one because it kept pushing up. But in terms of the indicators and the positioning and sort of where we're at, this does look like it could waterfall for quite a few more candles. It could waterfall all the way down to that level.
Right.
And the slower, the better. This chart's not moving really slow, though. It's kind of volatile in terms of its movement.
Well, yeah, now it's pushing up some.
But
it's ultimately pushing back down. So I think it wants to go down. I would like to see a big push in the next few seconds here, like a big push down.
Mm-hmm. Think we should enter again?
No. I'd like to win this one, and I hope we will, as long as it stays down. There we
There
go.
we
We
go.
got it, but don't enter. Yeah, because I'm not sure.
Yeah, that candle that's pretty confusing. Like it seems like it's slowing down. That's a win. So let's
But
do
that's a
this.
win.
Okay, I think we should watch this for another few candles and like it's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red candles. It's kind of at a line right now. I mean, it's kind of at a consolidation point that hit right here. If it can break through this, it might go down and it might keep going down. But I don't know if it's going to break it or not. It's looking like it doesn't want to.
Right.
But that was a good win. I'm glad that won. That was a close win.
Yeah, I was kind of worried about it, to be honest.
There's a lot of up pressure present in this chart for some reason. I don't know.
There is, yeah, definitely.
It's not like a very slow.
I think the next candle's going to go green potentially. But
Which one is that? Brent oil? Yeah, I mean, the one we won like 5 in a row last night on was moving like really consistently down, like slowly and consistently down, and it felt really
Right.
really good.
this one almost
feels
looks like it's
jumpy.
consolidating.
Yeah. Right.
So I don't know if it's going to push down from here or if it's going to go back up.
Yeah.
Because I'd be half tempted to take a call at the bottom of this line. I mean, because if it consolidates, we'd be at the bottom of it. But I'm not sure that it isn't just going to push down further all the way to that line.
Because every other indicator is pushing down. I don't know. This one's got so much jittery.
But
it's too jittery.
like I said, I think this candle could go green.
Oh
you know.
crap! Never mind.
Yeah. And it ended green. I was right.
Yeah, it might just go up from here. It's hard to know because it's got a pretty low point here.
So maybe we should have taken that call down there.
But
But we didn't know. We
We
didn't
could've.
know.
we didn't know. It looked like it was fixing to just head back down.
That's what it looked like.
From here, I think it might go to the white line, but it also might consolidate.
Right.
Like I'm not so convinced that it's going to step up from here. If we wait for this a few minutes, we might get a double cross in the MACD, which would be clearly.
And do we need that? Do we need it to win?
No, I don't think so.
You think this one, when it hits, is going to retract?
That's what I'm trying to look at now.
It went through it the last time.
Yeah, it went through it the last time, went up, went down. It went down through it. It hasn't been retracting off of it. And the MACD is getting ready to cross, so I almost think we could take a call on it when it dips down here. I think it's heading up to that line. Don't you?
I tend to think so. But
See, it's like down, up. It's kind of unpredictable. Yeah, it's too unpredictable.
it is, yeah.
But it might double cross. If it does, we could put a call on it.
When you say double cross, do you mean just cross or double or?
Well, yeah, cross.
Because I know you call it a double cross, but that's kind of like when you say bid.
Well, the MACD, no, the stochastic did cross back there at the bottom. It crossed.
because
and then it
usually
went
you're
1, 2,
just
3.
when you talk about that, you're usually just talking about the MACD.
Yeah, right.
So I don't want any viewers to be confused. When you say double cross,
it
you
does
mean
require the stochastic to cross prior. I mean,
usually the stochastic crosses first anyway, though.
yeah, usually it will cross first.
Just
and
in
that's in my double cross teaching, you have to have the stochastic cross, and within 3 to 5 candles, the MACD has to cross. If it doesn't, it's a false double cross. In other
Go look
words,
at silver real quick.
it might cross and it might not. But
Look at silver real fast.
okay,
Do you think it's going to go down on the next candle? Because look at its pattern. It's already done a little step up. Do you think it's going to go down from here, or is it out of line? Doesn't look like a consolidation.
you want to take a put?
Well, does it look like it's out of line to you?
Almost. It's a big red candle. It's almost at a line. It's almost at the bottom of its lowest point now.
Well, then don't take it.
I mean, I think my gut says, yeah, you're probably right. But when you look at it, it's like that line that those last two candles hit, the lowest point, that red and green candle hit, that's where it touched. It touched that, and I was like, well, it could just fly up from here.
Yeah.
I'm not so convinced that it's going to keep going down.
You don't think it will?
I mean, I think probability is it's in a downtrend, and yeah, but that's a strong level. It's consolidating at low points, so it consolidated at that low point, then it went down, consolidated there. It's hitting that point right now. I mean, you probably would, yeah, we would have won. So far, we would have won. Now,
So you're talking about the line at where it, just that line right there
Yeah.
that it hit.
it's right here, but then if you go up here, this is another line. See, look, it did.
Yeah.
Dude, that would have lost. Look,
Well, we would have been winning it, and then it just turned. Yeah.
yeah, because that point right here is like a hard line. It was a hard line here. It was a hard line here.
Well,
In fact, I think we could call this.
think it's going up from here,
Well, it has been. I mean,
but
if
there's
I
kind of a
called it right-
line up there too. So it
Right,
could
I'd
be
have to
stuck
call it right
kind
now.
of,
I'd have to call it like right now.
but it could be stuck in this whole range.
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
This whole
it
line.
could be.
I mean,
yeah,
I'm not sure that it's going
moving
outside
average-
of this.
The moving average is crossing or wanting to cross right now. But
This
yeah, it's
whole thing is a
consolidating
line.
hard.
It's
yeah.
been sideways ever since. Well,
Mm-hmm. Yeah. no, I
ever
don't like
since
this chart.
522.
Yeah, it's been sideways. USD RUB is sitting at the white line, and it's about to double cross. It's possible that this double crosses. I'm thinking about a put on this next
USD
candle.
RUB.
Yeah, in fact, no.
This chart looks.
If it double crossed, I was going to put it, but
This
it
chart
didn't.
looks nutty.
It went straight. Yeah. Oh crap! Intel. Is that a line with a double cross? They're all kind of nutty. You think Intel is going to be a call?
No, because I think it's gonna retract.
You want a retraction bid from here?
No, because it's already happened.
Okay.
But it may go back down a few candles. I don't know. I don't know exactly what it is going to do, but
I think it might go up.
could go up. I doubt it. Look, it went up a couple of candles before, hit the white line,
Yeah.
went down 3 red, then 3 green, hit the white line. Now it's retracting. Could go up though. Indicators show it's going up.
Amazon, dude. We missed Amazon. Massive. That's our whole night right there, dude.
Where on Amazon?
We actually still might be able to get in on it.
I don't know. We're late to the party, but you could try
Oh.
another one.
Let's see. Yeah, it's a first trade. It's been moving down pretty slow. That's a pretty good candle right there.
I mean, I'm not seeing any indicators showing a turnaround, but
Let's take it. It looks like it's
unless
gonna
you see a massive retraction like that, I wouldn't get in on that. But maybe we'll get lucky and get a green candle here, and then it'll keep going down from there. Yeah, I wouldn't. I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's going down. I guess the retraction. Yeah, I'm gonna wait because the retraction usually means
That scares me off. That means it's about to throw a green candle. I mean, it could mean that.
Yeah, no, it means that I've lost a couple bids.
Trades?
Yeah, trades, because I'm getting ready to make a trade, and then it retracts like that, and I still go through with it,
Yeah,
and then I lose big time like this.
I've noticed that.
Like if it retracts towards the end.
And the
of
MACD
candle-
is cricking. You see that?
Yeah.
Stochastic is too.
Dang it, we probably are late.
But that doesn't mean we can't catch it on the flip flop here. Because it might go up from here.
You think it would go up with some strength?
It apparently is.
Well, it's been overbought for a long time, or oversold for a long time.
In the next 2 candles, that MACD is going to cross if it keeps going up. maybe even during the next candle. Yeah, they're kissing now.
You want to take a call now? Just right now?
Um, well, that's an anticipation. Are you thinking it's going to
Yeah,
do it?
that's what I'm saying. I think it's going to go.
Okay, well then take a call from here.
I didn't.
Wait, let it dip first, or as much as you think it's going to.
I don't know. That's a long downtrend.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It may turn around, dude. I would
Let's
abort the
wait till
whole.
it confirms. If this next candle confirms, then
Yeah,
I could get it from down
because
here.
right now that MACD it's dating, not mating. So hold off. They're just holding hands there. They ain't.
What the heck is wrong with you, dude? Dang it! I would have won it. I knew I should have anticipated that.
Man,
All right, let's see.
why you
All right, hold
listening
on.
to me like that?
It did cross.
Well, it crossed. It's kind of a weak cross, but it crossed. So
Well,
let's
that's
see.
true.
It's going to go up from here, I think. I think it will. I don't know how big, but I think it's
The
going to go up.
anticipation is dangerous because sometimes it just doesn't do. Like you said. Would you say it's dating, not mating?
I said it's dating, not mating. So they were touching, but they weren't. They weren't.
Yeah, they were like holding hands. They weren't doing like the whole crisscross hold hand thing, like you did with your girlfriend in the 6th grade.
Yeah.
You son of a gun. You freaking son of a gun.
We're in the money, out of the money, in the money, out of the money. Come on, buddy, shoot up.
I think
Shoot
this
up.
does want to. A lot of times the double cross wins sort of towards the end because
Because there's the pressure, and as long as that holds.
it's got pressure.
Oh, did we win it or
No,
lose it?
we
We
haven't
lost
lo-
it, bro. We lost it.
I haven't lost anything yet, dude.
Yeah, we lost it, bro.
I don't know what you're talking. My computer's lagging then.
Yeah, we lost it. I don't
We
know
lost
how.
it
It
and
was
it's still
real
going up.
narrow.
Wait, we lost it?
Yep.
Dang it. My computer lagged. Dang it, it's going up. Freaking dang it. Okay.
What's the next trade?
390, and I just wish I would have followed my gut on that.
Well, you took it, but it just didn't get high enough. The
Why
position.
Why did it lose it? It ended green.
Just where the line was. It was green, but your line must have been.
Just a hair under it?
Well, because remember when it crosses, you kind of wait for the cross
Oh, that's
so
true.
you can see it. So you're about a second off.
Yeah. I don't think I should take this one again.
No, I probably wouldn't.
No, because it might be going up, but it's not like convinced. No, I'm gonna go look for a real one. We're on a second trade, so let's find a real. Let's find a real.
Okay.
double cross.
Tesla looks like it's about to go back up. I don't know if I'd trust it, but it looks like it's going up.
I don't trust that.
It's kind of in a positional thing, you know.
Unless I just took it right now. I mean, that's the kind of thing. I don't know. I feel like that's a little too crazy.
That's dangerous. We don't want to go beyond the second trade. Let's
Like
find
you
a winner.
say, it's going up, and I look at it, I'm like, you're probably right. Oh, look at.
Cisco is about to hit the white line and probably retract.
USD RUB is hitting the white line too, and it's probably gonna. Well, so you said Cisco.
Yeah, but you probably don't have much time if it's going to.
Well, if it hits the white line, it's. What do you think it's gonna do next?
No, I don't think it's going to make it there. I think it's as high as it's going.
Well, I mean. Well,
I mean, yeah, if we would have taken a put at the top of that line as high as it did go, we would have won it, but I don't think we would have taken it there.
Yeah, it wasn't high enough.
Because it could have gone much higher from that position, or
Jeez.
you have the trade amount set.
Yeah.
Just making sure here.
Look at Visa, dude. You think Visa's gonna bounce off this white line? Just now went through it, but it's fighting.
I don't know, because Visa has been.
It's kind of been going crazy, hasn't it?
I mean, it's
Hasn't.
generally obeyed the white line, but even the last red candle that shot way through it
Yeah.
still retracted once it got finished. So yeah, there's your answer. Yes, but that was kind of too narrow to call because
Yeah. Hmm.
I almost feel like you could take a 2 minute put from up here though, but I
Look,
don't know that it's not
look
going to
at
go
Brent
back
oil,
up.
dude. Can we reject bid Brent oil right now?
I don't see it.
Freak
Hold on.
yes. Freak yes, we should.
If you think you should,
I already did. So
okay.
I mean, look at it. It did this exact same thing. I hope I'm right.
I hope so.
It did this exact same thing. So it hit a massive line on its last candle. I could be wrong. You were right though about these rejections. They happen a lot, dude, and they happen kind of like
Come on, go down, go down, go down. Retract, retract, retract.
28 seconds.
Crap.
That doesn't look good.
They do happen a lot, yeah.
We still got 20 seconds, but that is not good. Dang it. I mean it. Oh, dude, look at that. 5 seconds. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Nope.
Come on. It almost did.
Yep,
Almost
not
did.
for us.
I bet it'll reject it now. It rejected it at the same point I called it or put it. Multiple times. Dang it. See, it's.
It's going to finish out that way, right?
Dang it. Yeah. I would have. Oh, dang it. I would have won it there.
That's frustrating. What's the next trade?
880. Third trade. All right, I don't want to do any more of those.
No,
I don't know
either.
if they're
Okay,
killer.
dude, silver. Look at silver right now.
Look at FedEx too.
No, look at silver, bro.
Okay, what about it?
It's going down.
I mean,
It's like dropping.
okay,
You see it?
yeah.
Does that look like it's broken out, or does it look like it's just a? I mean, it happened on a. This is a double cross, or well, yeah, it is sort of a double cross.
Double cross. Think I should take this down? Yeah, I could probably put this. Should I wait till?
You think it's going to keep going down though? It retracted quite a bit, so I would wait. But I don't know. Everything checks out, so I guess we could have taken it.
Yeah, you're being too careful there. It's in a downtrend. Well, that retraction did kind of scare me.
Yeah, it scared me.
But the chart looks good.
But it keeps retracting like that. See that?
Yeah.
And I'm not sure that it's gonna. I don't know how it's gonna finish.
You have to use your gut right now, bro. It's opening up.
You do, and the thing is, though,
I think we should just take a put here.
This chart, though, historically is getting about 3 red candles and then a green, maybe 4 at the most. But if you want to take this, it's a third trade, so it's gutsy. I'm just looking at the history of it. That doesn't mean that it's going to follow that. But the history shows that this is going to be a green candle. You know what I'm saying?
And then what? It's going to go back red again?
Well, I don't know, because it could step up a few. I mean, I'm just looking at what it's done. I can't say what it's doing now, but it's a third trade. I want to get a solid win. Gold.
Wait, so right.
Gold is in a fall. Almost at a line.
Well, look at this one. If it goes up, it's kind of going up. It's going up big right now.
Hey, Angelito.
It's going up real big. So, yeah, it's had some. It's moved from small candles to big candles. So, yeah, I don't know. You said gold was falling. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
dude. Yeah, is it?
Check
It's at
out
a
the
line.
lines though.
Oh yeah, it's at a big line right there.
Think it's got another one left in it?
Um,
Figure it out. You got 35 seconds. Draw a line if you have to.
well, the line it's already on the line. I know it's on the line.
Oh, okay. So it's at it now.
It's at it right now.
So it's gutsy to take that on a third trade.
Yeah, but
It's kind of retracting off that line.
right.
You think you should call it from the line?
No, that's gutsy.
That's gutsy.
My gut is that it's going down, but I mean it is at a line, so I almost think if it like comes up here a little bit. Well, I'm just gonna watch it because it did exactly
Well,
what
it could bounce off that line though,
Yeah, right. Yeah.
and we'd be losing right now had we taken a put.
Yeah, right.
I don't know. That doesn't guarantee that it's not going to continue going down, but
All right, look at FedEx.
yeah, it kind of hit that line. And
FedEx is going to the white line. FedEx is also about to double cross, so I think.
no, it's not. The man, the MACD. Look at that. Those lines are in a long distance relationship right now.
Well, then it might be on rejection. Yeah, you're right. But it looks like it's wanting to go back up from here. I mean, it hit a line.
Taking
right
any
there.
kind of a call with a MACD cross or not at the white line is dangerous.
But do you think it wants to go to the white line?
No. No, because I mean, look at it.
It was trying to go down, but it got jumped. But it got
It's at a
jumped
line.
over.
You see that line, the green line you got?
Yeah.
So it's kind of just hilling right now. It's kind of going up, going back down, and so that I don't know, because it stepped up 3 from the green line the first time, went down 2. It's already at the third green candle now. It could go up, or it could step down. It's hard to say. Could go to that green line.
It's got some big old wicks on it.
What would you do? Take a retraction trade right now, or would you? I don't know. That's gutsy on a third trade, dude.
I would just wait till the MACD crosses. It does look
And
like
then
it
take
might,
the
and take a call.
yeah.
Like if it really crosses. I mean, it's right now. It's iffy. It could be a retraction trade right here, but the white line.
But it's gone through it before, so
Right. The white line it's been kind of passing through the white line a lot, so I'm not too worried about calling on this, but it'd almost have to be, it would have to have a big cross. If it does
yeah.
a big
Now the
cross-
MACD, they've taken notice of each other.
Do you think if they cross right here, call it? Like it would go one more above it? I don't know, man. I don't
I
think
don't know
they're gonna
because now it's
cross.
retracting. See,
Yeah, see, it didn't cross. It didn't cross yet. I'm not saying it won't, but it probably won't.
if it retracted that much,
It probably won't cross, yeah.
probably not going to.
Yeah, it would have had to cross right there, or it's not super reliable.
Right.
Like a retraction trade up there at the top would have been perfect.
Yeah.
But it was fixing a cross, so it was kind of tricking us.
Yeah. I mean, it would have been a guess. It's
Because now it's probably heading back down to the main support. Like I almost think, well, I don't know. I can't put this because it might consolidate. up
could
that.
consolidate. Yeah. Or it could just go back up.
Yeah, it's but still not a very strong cross. That's not a strong cross at all.
It jumped up with some force. Okay, now I think it's going to cross, and now I actually think it's going to go through. That's my guess. I could be wrong,
Should I just
but I
call it
think it
right
might.
now then? Like anticipate it and it's going through? Or you think it's going to reject it?
Um, I think it's going to go through. I think I'd call it when it dips. If it dips, then I would call it. If it dips below that white line at all, I don't know that it's going to, though. You might just have to take the next candle.
If it opens, take it.
If it dips, though,
If it dips below the white line,
like
take it.
like yeah, maybe right here. Yeah, there you go. Because I do think it's crossing. I do think it's going up.
Come on, baby. Come on,
Come on,
baby.
come
That's
on.
a
I'd like to see this.
man.
I'd like to see this end over that line.
That is not the right direction. That is
Oh,
totally not
crap.
the right direction.
Crap.
That still could go. I mean, we got 40 seconds. It's flattening, but I mean, it's been above the white line every couple candles. I mean, it wants to go up there. It is going up there.
Yes, but before we lose this trade,
I doubt that. 'Cause that was
this was one where we should have taken our own advice that if it like retracts like that, then
right.
here goes. It could do it. No, it's not going to do it.
8 seconds. I don't know, man. Dang it.
Oh man, come on.
All right, we're
Dang it.
on 1980. 1980. Are we getting our butts kicked right now?
Well, we're on a what is this, a fourth trade?
Yeah, it's a fourth trade.
We are right at the moment.
Well,
Yeah.
that was a dumb trade, dude.
Okay, well that was, yeah.
That was a dumb trade against the white line. I mean, it was the double cross was not clear. I could go on about that for a long time.
That was not a good one. No.
We got two more, so let's just make a smart choice this time. I think we were in our minds on that one, thinking we
Okay,
knew where it was going.
Look at Apple. I think Apple is probably going down.
Yeah. I mean,
It's kind of hilled and it's gone
you
back,
don't-
and it's.
you think?
I don't know.
You think I should put this? I mean,
I don't know. That's a big candle.
dude, it's already down.
It's already way down
I-
there the line.
It's double crossing too, almost. But yeah, when you say something like that, I think Apple's going down. I wish I would just come on it and just hit the button, because I think you generally have like.
Yeah, but look, it's retracted a lot.
But I would have been way up here. Yeah, that's weird. I need to see a double cross. I need to see. Oh man, look at Intel.
I'm on it.
Oh, it's on a big line. But that doesn't mean it won't shoot through there. It's on a big line. It's kind of risky, but you keep looking at Intel.
Look at FedEx.
Uh-huh. But FedEx doesn't have any double cross. That's the one we were just on, right? Yeah.
Look at the MACD now. It's kind of like crossing.
MACD's straight. MACD's a liar.
Well, maybe. Is this the one we just lost on?
Yeah, right. We lost on that one up there.
But is it going back down from here?
Well, I don't know. I mean, it looks like it wants to, but it's
But
got
we
a
don't
lot
know.
of wicks. Every candle has a massive up or down wick. It's got massive wicks everywhere.
Well, let's don't take that chance.
Yeah, we got to take a better. We got to get one that's actually moving smooth, or that's gonna double cross like Intel. Okay, Intel, dude. Intel, we were just on it. It hit that line, that massive line. It started going back up, and it doesn't have a double cross yet, but I think it probably could be setting up one.
But look at the wicks, dude.
Yeah, I mean, went down there, and then it went up here. I'm saying if it double crossed. I'm only looking for double crosses now. Well, I don't know, but I've seen some turnaround double crosses tonight too.
Yeah. We got to find one that we really know.
Yeah, man, I've seen some aftermaths of some really, really turned around double cross trades tonight. Like just where it looks like FedEx is going down now. It's at that big level line, and it kind of double crossed, and it's kind of pushing down. You think it'd be gutsy, but you think it's got another red
Well, it's
candle in
kind
it?
of at a line, but it's kind of is it past it? Do you think?
That's what I'm saying. It'd be gutsy because of its line position, but do you think it's going to go down from here?
I wouldn't chance it on a fourth trade. It's like right at this
Yeah,
line, and it's holding there.
right. I wouldn't. Yeah, I'd have to. I'd have to say this next candle is going to be green because of that right there. That super retraction at the end. Next candle is going to be green. It's got to be as long. I mean, it almost has to be green because it did that. Seems like.
Yeah. I'm looking at currencies now. I'm looking at odd NZD. It's I don't know. It kind of went close to the line, then retracted. Okay, USD RUB is about to cross. If you're looking for a cross,
I am looking for a cross.
but it's at a line, so take it with a grain of salt. But it is about to cross.
It wants to go up to that white line though too.
But the size of this candle right here could cause it to falsely cross. It's starting to cross now. That's a big, big candle.
Yeah.
You could call it from down here if you want, but I don't know if it's going to go up. It may not at this point. The line's already cricked, but
Yeah,
I'm
I don't
just
know. This one
I'm
doesn't.
just thinking out loud. Don't
Yeah,
actually
this
do
one
it.
this one doesn't have a very smooth motion. I do think
No,
it probably is going to go up because the stochastic's up. The
no, I wouldn't trust that.
MACD is crossed, but it definitely could be another red candle after this. I mean, it's kind of big. That's kind of big.
NZD USD is crossing now, but it's at a white line.
It's at 74% too.
Oh crap! Didn't see that.
That would be danger right there. I think that's what we got burned on last time because we kind of like mixed up the white line with the crossing, and you know, there's not a lot of charge in this. Man,
Apple looks like it's in a bit of a climb that's going to end up just going back down.
yeah, that's what I thought. There's not a lot of smooth charts tonight, man. What's up with this?
I almost feel like Apple could be like a 4-minute call or put from up there, but the position is gone now. So American Express is going up,
Yeah.
but a lot of crazy candles there. You could lose real easy on one. I don't want to take a stupid trade.
Yeah, that might be. Jeez, I don't know. Yeah, there's been acting kind of erratic.
FedEx is
Oh man, FedEx crossed. It's going up. Crossed over the white
yeah,
line.
but how high is it going to go?
I don't know.
There's a consolidation line right back there where it's
Yeah,
at.
and it's kind of wicking out right now. Three massive pushes, wick out. I don't mean, you know, it doesn't have a history of like just going real far one direction, does it?
No, not at all.
Struggling to get up there. Yeah, Twitter is. Yeah, one's moving real slow. I mean, that one, yeah. What was it, Apple? You think Apple's going to be a put from... Well, look at Apple's position now, dude. We could put it for 4 minutes from here. I mean, I don't know, though. It's kind of... The white line is turning. I mean, it could... Dude, Apple's at a big, massive consolidation line. I'd be okay with like a 4 minute put from right up here.
Would you?
Yeah, because it's kind of like going to turn around from up here. It's at a lot of different lines. It's consolidated a bunch right here. Then went down, then went up, hit there, went down, went up, hit there.
Yeah.
I mean, it would be...
So you don't think it's going to go up higher? You think you could put it from here?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Well,
What
if
do
you
you
want to
think?
take it, I mean, get
What
a
do you
higher
think?
position if you can. But I mean, I don't know if you're going to get a higher position than this. Let's see what the next candle does. But
I already entered.
I see that.
I just think you were right. I think your gut's right. And I think because this line is massive, that it's a good idea. It's a good positional trade. I mean,
Positionally, it seems right.
because it's...
I hope that this candle tanks here.
Yeah.
I'd like it to break on this candle and not keep, going up.
Yeah, it could.
Crap. That's not what I wanted to see. Because it could break out of all this. And it
could.
apparently is.
No, it's trying to, but I think it's obviously it could go down just as fast.
It could
as it went up.
retract still. It could still retract.
All right, well let's get some retraction going on here. If you want to trade with us, go to fascinating world of binaryoptions.com. What are we at here? We're not even at our 75-minute mark. We're at five wins. We're on a fourth trade though.
What is the fifth trade?
Dude, that does not look good, by the way.
Yeah, you think? Because I'm about to take my fifth trade on the next candle.
Are you kidding?
I don't know. Because this is not slowing down, dude. But it's almost at another line.
Okay, your next trade is 44.60. I mean, I don't know that we should take it right now, but yeah, I mean...
No, we shouldn't take it right now.
Because
I was kidding.
Okay.
But
this could turn around and just go straight back down.
it could, but it's got 2 minutes to do it. And it's not. It's showing a lot of up pressure.
Yeah, but it's at a massive line again right now. I mean, all it would have to do is...
There's one big, massive red candle.
Well, it could have a couple. It could just turn around and go down. I mean, it could retract off this line right now. You know, it will at some point. Maybe it was the wrong level. That was the wrong level. See,
There
there's
we go.
retraction. A minute and 46. It's moving kind of slow now, though. The up pressure was pretty strong. $130.
Yeah. I hope this is like a big turnaround and not just some, because it's only got a minute and it's got a long way to go down there.
A minute 7. Yeah.
It needs to like start tanking.
Yeah, it needs to really start tanking. Like, I don't know. If it consolidates at all, then we're screwed.
That looks like consolidation to me.
Dang it. We're on a 5th trade.
Yep. It's got to be a win, bro. How much is the 5th trade?
It's 44.60.
Okay.
I just don't see a lot that's great, and that was terrible. That was a terrible loss. That was like a completely
Another stupid trade?
stupid idea.
Well,
It was a completely stupid idea. I mean, right now, it'd be like we could put it from way up there, because it's at... I'm not going
okay, go to Twitter. Go to Twitter. Something like Twitter. Okay, this is just a gradual move down here.
Yeah.
It's a downward chart.
You want to just take a 4-minute put right here?
Well,
That's what I would do.
where's the lines is the question.
I mean, it's been going down for a long time. It's at okay. So there's a line right here, like a pretty big one right here. Oh crap! A line right here. Hit it multiple times, like a lot of multiple times.
Intel call. I'm not seeing anything on Intel that looks like a call, but unless you're saying that it's going to call up from this line because it's moving sideways. I mean, this looks like a bottom of the barrel consolidation from down where it's at. So yeah, it looks in terms of position, but I'm not sure that it isn't going to break out and go down.
What were you just telling me to look at? Facebook? What were we just looking at?
I don't even remember.
Oh come on, dude! I was just on it and I drew lines on it. Not
I don't know, what were we looking at? I was looking at something that somebody told me.
Twitter. Yeah, dude. It's down there near a line, but look at what it did now. It's up. It's done its green thing.
And it's about to cross. MACD is about to cross, but look at the MACD. It's been very kind of intertwined.
Yeah, I mean, it's been intertwined. It's been crossing and uncrossing and crossing and uncrossing. So we could take a 4-minute put from here if we think it's actually going to go back down.
I don't trust it though.
You don't trust it.
Well, look, it's been everywhere. So
it hasn't been green for more than a few candles at a time, though, 2 or 3 candles at a time, and then it's just been persistently red. It's pretty high now, so I mean, it could just turn around and go straight back up. But does it just look like a turnaround to you? Does this look like a turn? Does this look like a chart that's going to turn around? I don't really know.
Those candles are kind of big and they're stair stepping pretty evenly, so it's possible. And it just crossed.
If we were going to take a 4-minute put, we'd have to do it up here.
Yeah, I wouldn't take a 4-minute put. If anything, I would have called that candle when it was red, but I wouldn't do that now. But
because it actually crossed.
because it actually crossed and looks like it's going up.
Yeah. Well, that is a line that it got down to, so it could be on its way up from here.
Yeah, I mean, this has
the
to be
double cross already happened, so. Double cross already happened. I think you could win like a 3 or 4-minute put. Well, now it's going down, so.
Yeah, but is it going to consolidate or just watch it for a second?
Well, you know, the pattern of this chart has been down, up a little bit, down, up a little bit, down, and it's underneath and it's going down. So you'd have to put it from way up there. Yeah, we might possibly would have won a put from way up there. So double cross, but now it's just retracting. I wouldn't put it now at all because now it's back down to where, you know, I was thinking it was going to go back down there. Whoa, look at Apple. Dude, Apple might be a call, man. It's gutsy, but, I mean, look at it. It's just tanking up.
Do you want to take the next candle?
You want to take the next candle for a minute?
Might as well. I'd go for it.
Please, dear God, work. It's a 5th trade, dude.
Oh, Lord, give us a win.
It doesn't have any resistance or support or resistance up here.
Turn that candle green. Yeah, there we go.
Turn that candle green, Lord.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder if Haley's in this session. There we go.
There we go. Come on, go on up. Go on up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. One more candle, just one green candle.
Just one more green
Come on,
candle.
go up, go up, go up. Get in the money. Get in the money. Go green and stay green.
Go green, baby.
Go green and stay green.
Go
Come
green
on.
like Elon Musk.
Come on, go green. Stay green, stay green. There you go. Yes,
There you
yes.
15
Come on,
seconds.
come on. Shoot higher, shoot
This is
higher.
a 5th trade.
Reach
people.
for the stars.
This
Reach
is high
for the
stakes
stars.
right here for us. 5th
Reach
trade.
for the
This
stars.
is the
Reach for the
entertainment
stars.
value. This is
Come
it,
on,
baby.
reach for the
Come
stars.
On. There you go.
Reach for the
Stay
stars.
up there. 2
Stay
more
up there.
seconds,
Come
baby.
on.
There you
Come
go.
on. Come on.
Boom.
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Thank you, Lord. Yes.
Talk about some entertainment.
That is entertainment value, dude. My palms of my hands are sweating, bro. But that deserves a happy dance. So
Oh. Okay, hold on now. Hold on. We should have re-entered that, dude.
6.
Hold on. I'm back to 170. I'm gonna happy dance.
You got the decimal in there?
I mean, how many green candles can we have? Do you think this is gonna keep going?
I don't know. It's been going for a while. I mean, let's see. The nearest line, it's a little way. It's about a candle or two away from. There's a little dip down there, back there at about the 328 mark, roughly 324,
Yeah.
328.
All right, I'm gonna enter again. Yeah, great. That's good. Keep going. There you go. I like that retraction, dude. I was happy about that.
You were?
Yeah, because it just like shot down there. It gave me a great position. I just think
Sometimes that retraction means, kind of a turnaround, but
I don't know.
as long as as long as it stays up a little bit, then we're good,
In this pressure, I liked it, but usually when I'm like not sure, I don't like it. But in this kind of pressure, I actually like the dip because it means it's retracting a little bit, but it's still moving up. I mean that pressure is up.
So is our time.
75 minutes is what we've been trading for right now. Come on now, come on, no, go back.
Yeah, there we go. There we go.
There you go.
That's what I'm talking about. Come on.
Come on.
One more win on this chart, and then we're off this chart.
You want to get off this chart? I want to.
Yeah, don't re-enter. Yeah, I want to win this. I really want to win this. Oh, please win. Please win. Please win.
Push up. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we
go.
go.
Oh, crap. We lost it. Dang it. I was worried about that because I did not like that retraction on that last candle. It scared the crap out of me. Despite all the crap you just said about it, it scared me.
All right, I'm going to do the financials right now because we went so deep.
Still didn't fix it. It's not going to end. We're anywhere near 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're only halfway, dude.
I know, but 674.22.
And we're at a loss. So let me just find another one of these. Have you noticed they don't happen until they're okay. American Express, dude. For some reason, they start happening after midnight when we're about done. Okay, look at American Express. This could be a fall.
Well, we're not about done. We got a long way to go. We still got half of our.
Look at American Express, dude.
I'd rather just So are we at a loss? Oh crap! Should I? Should I take this next candle on this?
You're on second trade.
Take it.
Yeah.
Okay. I was trying to put the thing in there.
It's like dropping, so I don't see why we wouldn't take it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm with you. I was looking at my chart though. I was trying to figure out what we started at. We started at 667. Okay. If this wins, we'll just wait till this wins and I'll do the math. Actually, do we need to re-enter on this?
If it wins, then I definitely would, because this has got some potential. It's way up there, and it's just kind of hanging. It's kind of a cliffhanger. So if it wins, then I think it could go down a little ways. Yeah, I want it to win.
It went through the white line pretty cleanly there.
There it goes. Yeah, this is. I feel like this is going to be a win for us. So.
Did it win?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, it won.
I think I re-entered. Yeah.
You did. You did re-enter.
All right, 675. 2 plus or minus 7.
We might pick up the rest of our wins here, dude. Maybe. It's got that potential.
Okay. Yeah. I think it's moving slow enough. It's definitely moving slow enough. But it's got down pressure. It's got nice down pressure, and the stochastic is sort of touching, but it can stay down there and oversold for a long time. So let's hope this retracts just a tiny bit, so we get a big position.
This is going to be an 8th win. Yeah, this is a good re-entry, I think.
Okay, I'm re-entering right. I was getting a little behind the candle there.
Yeah, you had a kind of a high position there.
Hold on. Okay, so six. So that was a win. Was that our 8th win? You're counting?
That was 8th, yeah.
5. Okay, so this is 8. So how do you feel about that 5th trade we went to, bro?
Well, I mean, we
sweating
go to a lot of
bullets?
5th trades and we rarely lose them somehow, but I don't know why we can't do
made
that the
some
first time.
Stupid, dumb A. I would just cuss right now because I feel like cussing because I feel
But
like
you're not
we
going
made
to because it's a
family show.
family-friendly
I
show
feel
here.
like we made some stupid
Be ready to
trades.
enter again, dude, because this has got
I'm
12
ready.
seconds. We are going to win this.
I feel like we made just some error trades tonight, like ones that
Didn't need to happen. I agree.
I think we should have thought better about it, you know? So that's a 9th win.
Yeah.
Like, we
Why
got
is
to
it
get
that
smarter.
like after midnight we find these mother loads
don't
like
know.
this?
I don't know. I think we ought to just start trading later.
At midnight when we find these?
Yeah, like...
Yeah,
I
dude,
mean,
this is
could
it. We
start-
found this pretty early, too.
Yeah.
But it's kind of at a line. We got to be conscious of that.
You found it.
Yeah, I
found
did.
This, dude. You found this. I wasn't even paying attention.
There is a consolidation back there, but I don't see any reason to let that...
I'm not worried about that. I mean, if we're gonna win these, we just got to keep going. 25 cents. Let's happy dance this for all those wins you just. Honestly, I have a feeling that timing matters. I hate to say we should push our trading sessions later, but we might.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh crap! I wanted to get a better position on that one.
That's all right.
So that was another win.
You're like at the bottom of the candle, so if it's another red candle,
It
then
was kind
it's
of bouncing a little bit, so I thought maybe I could get a better position on that bounce. But I guess as long as this is big fat red candle,
as long as it's a big old red candle, it don't really matter.
I don't know. Maybe we should push our trading sessions to like 11 o'clock your time, and just go for.
We used to do that, and then we moved it to
I can't
10.
remember.
But
it was because we were tired. But I mean, you're probably right. I mean, I guess some nights we get on here to be fair,
and we
there's
win
just
right
all
away.
kinds of charts like going down for a long way. Man, this is a 10th win. No, this will
We
be
got
11.
2 more then?
This will be an 11th win right here.
No.
Here we go.
Why did I count 9? I guess it's 10, right? Is it 10 or 9?
Okay. I waited just to
Yeah.
get a better position. I thought it was going to do that, but I thought, you know what? I'm going to wait just a second. That was an 11th win, right? Let me
I counted 9, but
Let's dance it out. Here we go. We have 11 wins, bro.
are you sure it's 11?
I'm looking at them, bro. Look at my screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we lost a bunch. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I must have inadvertently not written some down.
Dang
Hoping
it.
this
Is gonna
drops
win?
just
Dude,
a
look
little
at
bit.
this
There you
win.
go.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Let this win. I want this to win. I want this to go in.
Oh, I
Look,
wanted to
think it
win
might.
too, bro.
Because I waited on this one. I waited because I thought it was going to shoot up. And
Yeah.
I think that was a win.
That was a win.
Bam. That was our 12th win. I'm a happy dance app.
That
for
was.
us. Yeah, we've made $17, and if you don't,
Are you sure
believe
that was our 12? Really?
Bro,
I must have.
bro, can you look at my screen?
I'm looking. I'm on the restream.
Look at my little thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you go up here, and then we lost 1, 2, 3, 4. We won.
Right,
This
there's
is
our fifth.
6. That's our 6th win.
Yeah.
Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay. Yeah. All right. You're right, bro. You're right. We found the mother lode.
That was a mother load, dude. Look at that.
For all of our friends online watching on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, We did it. Another successful night where we did not completely lose our butts. We did have a scary trade we had to make, but
Yeah.
it was successful. We won it.
Hey, that trade was a good win though. I mean, it wasn't like narrow. I mean, it kind of wicked down a little bit, but then it gladly won for us, dude. That was a
Right.
good trade, and we have
And
put
what we
on.
need to do, and we say this every dang time, that we need to make all of our trades off of something like what we just won all those last ones on. Like that's really all we need is to find that kind of a free fall like that
Yeah, we
and just
made some
win.
stupid trades, dude. Tonight felt like we were just.
It felt like amateur hour.
What were we thinking about on some of those trades? 684.
We weren't thinking. We were
Uh,
thinking we wouldn't have placed those trades. But it all came out in the wash, and we are good, man. We are good. That means that we cleared a a level, and also fortified that 3 times. And our overall account made more tonight than it would have made in our 6 deep plan.
Yeah, I got this. This is actually not right.
What's not right?
Oh, my chart is just messed up somehow. The math of this is 667.52 is what you have in your actual. No, 684.14. Sorry, 684.14. I got there. There, it's right. There, yeah, 79. So $79. Yeah, so we cleared level wins. We cleared 12 wins here.
So tonight I wrote down, I'm in my wife's account, and I actually, for once, wrote down her starting balance versus her. So she's at 608.89. She has a bit more than some people. So some people that are following us, minus 592.27. 1662 is what we made.
Exactly. That's what the chart says. Yeah. Yeah. So we. So I mean, how do we? Okay. So let's talk about this since we're still live. How do we get into those situations like tonight when we made the stupid trade about I don't, because we mixed up the white line.
Yeah, we can't mix
with
strategies.
The double cross. And
that's what I said.
That
That's what really can do it to us. We really shouldn't combine. We should not combine.
We mixed those two strategies up, bro, and it almost lost us a whole level because
we're gonna stick to the basically what we've been doing since day one.
Waterfalls and double crosses. I think
exactly. If we feel like it's stepping up or waterfalling or
if it's
a crossover,
cross. I think the white line retraction trading is just too dangerous.
It can be. I mean, it depends on the position because you're taking a chance. You don't know where it's going to stop over that line. It could touch it and go back down, or it could shoot a little past it and then.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's almost exactly like anticipating the double cross because
it's an anticipation.
It's like the double cross is like this. It's barely getting ready to cross. If you bid right then and then it just goes like this, then you've lost it. But you're anticipating it. But when a real
we don't bid at all. We trade.
Yeah, a real true double cross trade. 9 out of 10 wins. Because that force of the double cross just pushes that candle and usually what I've noticed is after you win, the candle immediately retracts and goes down. I mean, if you're going up, you can double cross the win, you get that one win, and literally within the next candle, it's already just tanking. It's not like necessarily. So you get one chance if it clearly double crosses. I think I can become an expert at that method. And the waterfall method that you just found, I think we're already pretty expert at that method. Once you find it, you just have to ride the wave down. I think
It's such a brainless idea once you get it.
Yeah, dude, because we won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a row. We won 6 of our trades in 6 minutes.
Yeah.
We've been on here for 2 hours, dude.
Yeah, and once we found that mother load, we're like, that's it. Like, we got this. How many people are watching right now, and by what platforms, or is anybody watching right now?
We got 2, and by let's see, crap. Let's see, 2, and by Twitch and YouTube.
2 on Twitch and 2 on YouTube,
No,
or
1 on
one on
Twitch and
each?
1 on YouTube. Your daughter probably
Okay.
fell out after we lost that, or after we won that 5th trade. She probably fell out.
Who?
Your daughter.
Oh, yeah. Um. Well, I think that's going to wrap up the live stream for the night. We're going to go into executive session where no one else is allowed, and it'll just be me and Eric having a private conversation,
Yelling at each other.
yelling at each other.
Yeah. So our we did go to 5th trade tonight, overcapping the wins. We got 12 wins. We are going up to level 2 now. Make sure you give us a subscribe, like, and follow along. Join the.
That means we're only 80 days away now from $100
80 days
trades.
away, man. That's the big countdown. All right, we'll see you on the next podcast
All
tomorrow
right.
night.
See ya.